Ang maganda. Hindi ata kayo kasali eh. Kasali ba kami, mamo? Kasali. Kaya ka lumipat ako para sigurado ka.
Sige mo kayo.
Sino ito?
Ayan. Wala.
1, 2, 3.
Chika.
One more here. One more. One more here. Wait. Ayan mo na. Here.
Check.
1, start.
Chika.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Hindi po anything.
Baka one more there.
Why ba? Sumimi.
Yan na.
Kawat. Good. Sa'yo ha, good. Right.
Putahan. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yes, Bluetooth. Bluetooth.
Hello, for me, I want to say lastly, listen. Not only Veronica can be a winner. I believe, although you all never receive a certificate at this moment, I believe all of you also a winner.
Sir, even Veronica is our best employee. We accept also that the Filipino is the winner.
Oh. Chika.
Yeah.
Chika pa talaga, Nes. Grabe ka. Ah, damay.
Why I do the aquatic balloon is to move the crowd, which is attract the kids. Once the kids they start playing the things they don't want to